Hello all, welcome to the day 21 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. A circular park in a town has a walking track around it. The park has a radius of 35 meters. At its center, there is a fountain that occupies a smaller circular area with a radius of 7 meters. The rest of the park is covered with grass. The municipality plans to install two benches along the boundary of the fountain, each shaped like a sector of the circle with a central angle of 90 degrees. The remaining grassy area will be left open for visitors. Students from a nearby school are asked to find the areas of different parts of the park. In the diagram, the blue shaded region is the fountain area. This is 7 meters. And the gray shaded area are the bench area. And the green shaded area is the grassy portion. Question 1. What is the area of the entire circular park? The radius of the circular park is 35 meter. So the area of park is equal to pi times 35 square. Pi can be taken as 22 upon 7 times 35 square, which gives us 3850 meter square. Question 2. What is the area occupied by the fountain? The radius of the fountain is 7 meter. So area of fountain is pi times 7 square, that is 22 upon 7 times 7 into 7, which gives us 154 meter square. Question 3. How much area is covered with grass? As of now, grass area is the park area minus the fountain area. Park area is 3850 minus 154, which gives us 3696 meters square. Question 4. If each bench covers a 90-degree sector of the fountain, what is the total area occupied by the two benches? A 90-degree sector means it's a quadrant. So benches area will become, there are two benches. So 2 times 1/4 of the area of the fountain. On simplifying, we get 77 meter square. Question 5. After placing the benches, what is the area of the remaining grassy region? The two benches are not kept inside the fountain area. It is kept along the fountain area but in the grassy portion. So, the remaining area will be the grassy portions area minus the area occupied by the two benches, which is 3619 meter square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.